Hello friends, welcome to BITA Academy. Today we are going to discuss about for loop in Python. What is for loop? For loop is used to iterate a sequence data type. For example, we have a different data types: string, list, tuple, set, dictionary. So if you want to iterate these data type, we can go for a for loop. This for loop will execute this data type one by one. In for loop only, we can use this range function. Range is an inbuilt function in Python. By default, range will begin with a 0 value, and if you want to change any value, we can change the default value from 0 to any other values. Okay, and it will increase the value by 1. Okay, if you are begin with 0, next value will be printed as 1 and another value will be printed as 2. For example, we have a for loop as for I in range of 6. If you want to print the I value, it will print the value as 0. Consider we have an example for I in range of 6. Print of I. So by default, it will begin with 0. Next value, it will be incremented by 1. So it begins with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So ending value will be n minus 1. Okay, I don't want to begin with 0. We can change the starting value. So we have to mention the starting value before the n value. So 1, 6. So it will begin with 1 to 5. So this is a way we have to change the starting value. How we can use the else keyword with the for loop? Else is a keyword used to use a particular block of statement after executing the body of a for loop. So it will be executed only if the for loop will be executed without any break statement in the for loop. So this else statement will be optional. This is not a compulsory. For example, so we are using else statement here. Else print. This is example for looping. So it will be executed after end of your for loop. So after printing your final value, this else statement will be printed. Okay. So in between, the statement is stopped. This else statement won't be printed. So that is the else statement. So in upcoming video, we'll discuss with more examples. Thank you guys.